આપનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે એજ્યુકેશન ઇન ગુજરાતી ચેનલ પર. આજનો આપણો ટોપિક છે ઇંગ્લિશ યુનિટ 5 ઇંગ્લિશ પ્લસ. ક્વેશ્ચન 1. રીડ ધ ફોલોવિંગ પેરેગ્રાફ્સ ફ્રોમ ધ લેસન. 1. Dhanush and Raghav are best friends. They are studying in class. Like you, today is Sunday and both are on the playground. Raghav, I am hungry. Let's go to my uncle's house. It's just next to this street, said Dhanush. Yes, I know. Even I remember the taste your uncle dish. Really? Dhanush, she is very good cook, Raghav said. Answer the following question. 1. Who is a good cook? Dhanush. Uncle is good cook. 2. In which class are the boys? The boys are in class 8. 3. Why are the boys on the playground? The boys are on the playground because it is Sunday. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D. 1. Dhanush and Raghav are C. On the playground. 2. Is a good cook? C. Dhanush uncle. 2. They were on their way to Dhanush uncle's house. They went past a tea stall. Radio Pindi was on. Save money with our bank and secure our future. Such was an announcement on Radio Pindi. Raghav, I want to open an account in a bank, said Dhanush. Why? Raghav asked. Because I have saved some pocket money. I want to deposit it. It's a good idea. I also want an account to be opened. We will go together, said Raghav. Answer the following question. 1. What was the announcement on Radio Bhindi? The announcement on Radio Bhindi was save money with our bank and secure your future. Why did Dhanush want an account to be opened with a bank? Dhanush saved some pocket money and so his bank wanted to open account and deposit it in the bank. 3. Is Dhanush worried about his future? No, Dhanush was not worried about his future. 4. Who want to open an account with a bank? Dhanush wants to open an account with a bank. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in box. Which word in the pages means to make safe? C. Secure. 3. Do you know the address of the bank? Asked Raghav. No, but my father has an account with the bank. He added it is a nationalized bank. Fine. Then when shall we go there? Raghav asked. We shall go there next Tuesday, Dhanush replied. But who will help you in opening an account? Raghav asked. My uncle will come with us, Dhanush said. Answer the following question. 1. Who will help them in getting an account opened? Dhanush uncle will help them in getting an account opened. 2. Who has an account with the bank? Dhanush's father has an account with the bank. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write ABCD in box. 1. Has an account with the bank. B. Dhanush's father. 2. It is a nationalization bank. D. 3. Who will help the boys? D. Dhanush uncle. 4. They enter the house. Uncle Manubhai was reading a newspaper. Hello uncle, we want an account to be opened with a bank. We need your help. Dhanush said. Sure, I will help you. I will also come with you to the bank, said Manubhai. Answer the following question. What was Manubhai doing? Manubhai was reading a newspaper. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in box. Manubhai was reading a newspaper. 5. After some time, Raghav switched on the television. There was an announcement on the screen. Donate O positive blood immediately. Contact 0383838955. What is O positive, uncle? Dhanush asked. It is the name of a blood group, said Manubhai. Why do they need blood, uncle? Asked Dhanush. Perhaps someone need it. Their money be a surgery, said Manubhai. But uncle, why don't you help them? Raghav asked. No, I cannot because my blood group is B positive, uncle replied. Answer the following question. Why could Manubhai not donate his blood? Manubhai could not donate blood because his group was B positive. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in box. 1. Which word in the pages means to give? C. Donate. 2. What is Manubhai blood group? A. B positive. 6. Uncle. Now this is the time for our cartoon show Raghav, and I never miss it. Can we watch it? Said Dhanush. Of course. Meanwhile, I will prepare some snacks for both of you. Uncle, you are such a caring person, Raghav said. Answer the following questions. 1. What did the boys watch on TV? The boys watched cartoon show on TV. 2. What will uncle do? Uncle will prepare some snack for the boys. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in box. 1. The boys watched on TV. C. Cartoon show. 2. Raghav calls uncle a person. D. Caring. 2. Both the boys watched the cartoon show. The show ended and Manubhai come with the snacks. Did you enjoy the cartoon show? Uncle asked. Yes, we did. Here are your snacks. Have them and tell me how they are. Delicious is always, both said after tasting the snacks. Thank you, my children. Enjoy the snacks. I will read the newspaper. Answer the following question. 1. What did Manubhai bring for the boys? Manubhai brought some snacks for the boys. 2. What will Manubhai do? Manubhai will read the newspaper. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in box. 1. The snacks were jelly coins. A. 2. Delicious means B. Tasty. 8. Manubhai reads the newspaper. Hi boys, here is some interesting news for you, said Manubhai. What is it? Dhanush asked. Read it yourself, replied Manubhai. Both read on advertisement. Answer the following question. 1. Who read a newspaper? Manubhai reads a newspaper. 2. What does Manubhai ask the boys to read? Manubhai asked the boys to read an advertisement. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in box. 1. There was a news in the newspaper. A. Interesting. 2. There was in the newspaper. D. An advertisement. 9. Young word. On the spot. Painting competition. Magic of hand. For 5 to 8 standard. Come paint your own colorful word. Date 16 March. Zone South. Place Surat Saraswati Vidyalay. 22 March. North. Patan Sharoday Vidyalay. 29 March. Middle. Ahmedabad Smruti Vidyalay. 4th April. West. Rajkot Madurai Vidyalay. Time 10 am to 1 pm. Theme Save Environment. Save water. Attractive prizes to be won. First prize 1 week animation workshop with the artist Kanak Patel. Second prize 3-week workshop with the artist Aarti Narain. Third prize 1 day trekking camp. 100 consolation prize and easel with 5 brushes 3D certificates for all. For entry form, log on to www.youngworld.org. Come color your imagination. Answer the following question. 1. When will the South Zone competition be held? The South Zone competition will be held on 16 March. 2. What is the theme of this competition? The theme of this competition is Save Adventurement Save. 3. What is the consolation prize? The consolation prize is an easel with 5 brushes. 4. How many consolation prizes are there? There are 100 consolation prizes. 5. What is the third prize? Third prize is 1 day trekking camp. 6. Who has organized the competition? Young World has organized the competition. 7. What will all the participants get? All the participants will get a 3D certificates. And how can you get an entry from? You can log on to www.youngworld.organization to get an entry from. 9. What must you do to win 1 week animation workshop? You must win the first prize to win 1 week animation workshop. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in box 1. Who has organizes the competition? C. Young World. 2. The advertisement is for a competition. D. Painting. 3. What is the theme of the competition? B. Save environment, save water. 4. All participants will get a 3D certificate. 5. How many consolation prizes are there? D. 100. 6. What is the first prize? B. 1 week animation workshop with Kanak Patel. 7. What is the second prize? C. 3 week workshop with Aarti Naren. 8. What is the third prize? A. 1 day trekking camp. 9. What is the consolation prize? D. An easel with 5 brushes. 10. The blank zone competition is on 4th April. D. West. 11. The North Zone competition is on 22 March. A. North. 12. The South Zone competition is on A. 16 March. 13. The Middle Zone competition is on C. 29 March. 2. Write true or false. 1. Manubai is Raghav's uncle. False. 2. Dhanush wants an account to be opened with the bank because his father told him. False. 3. Dhanush's uncle will help them to open an account too. 4. The competition is about singing. False. 5. The competition is organized by Young World. True. 6. Manubai is a good cook. True. 7. Raghav has saved some pocket money. False. 8. O positive is a blood group. True. 3. Fill in the blank with how much or how many. 1. How much water is there in the lake? 2. How many balloons does he have? 2. How much sugar will you buy? 4. How much is this sack of wheat? 5. How much oil is there in this bottle? 6. How many children are there in the class? 7. How much rice do you want? 8. How many sweets can you eat? 9. How much is this packet of biscuits? 10. How many books do you have? 4. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the brackets. 1. Kiran is thinner than hers. 2. Hiran is as old as Jatin. 3. Kirti is as short as Mona. 4. The trunk of a mango tree is thicker than that of a coconut tree. 5. This house is bigger than that house. 6. This room is as small as that room. 7. Ans is taller than Vinita. 8. Grandpa walked slower than Grandma. 9. I can run faster than Gita. 10. Bharat is clever than Lakshman. 5. Read the advertisement and answer the question. 1. Anand Pustak Bhandar, Ring Road, Surat. 15% off on all second-hand books, school textbooks, notebooks, drawings books, and all kids of school stationery. Attractive gift on purchase of more than 1000. 1. What is the discount of second-hand books? There is 15% as discount on second-hand books. 2. What is the name of the shop? The name of the shop is Anand Pustak Bhandar. 3. The shop is in Surat. 4. The shop does not sell stationery. True or false? False. 5. There is a gift on purchase of more than 1000. 2. Sports club. Student of classes 8 and 9 come and learn cricket, football, hockey. Time 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. every Sunday on the school playground, Saraswati High School, Gandhi Road, Rajkot. 1. Which game will not be touched here? Chess. 2. This notice is for students of standard 8 and 9. 3. What is the name of school? The name of the school is Saraswati High School. 4. What are the timing of the club? 8 morning to 10 morning. 5. The club will be open every day. True or false? False. 7. What is the second prize? C. 3-week workshop with Aarti Naren. 8. What is the third prize? A. 1-day trekking camp. 9. What is the consolation prize? D. An easel with 5 brushes. 10. The blank zone competition is on 4th April. D. West. 11. The North Zone competition is on 22 March. A. North. 12. The South Zone competition is on A. 16 March. 13. The Middle Zone competition is on C. 29 March. 2. Write true or false. 1. Manubai is Raghav's uncle. False. 2. Dhanush wants an account to be opened with the bank because his father told him. False. 3. Dhanush's uncle will help them to open an account too. 4. The competition is about singing. False. 5. The competition is organized by Young World. True. 6. Manubai is a good cook. True. 7. Raghav has saved some pocket money. False. 8. O positive is a blood group. True. 3. Fill in the blank with how much or how many. 1. How much water is there in the lake? 2. How many balloons does he have? 2. How much sugar will you buy? 3. Are you a music lover? Source of entertainment. Singer Aditya Naik and Anjana Yagnik. Guitar Abhimanyu. Drum Munaf Patel. Flute Ninand. show Saturday and Sunday, 18 and 19 April. 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 8 p.m. Adults 250, students 120. 1. On which day can you go for the music concert? You can go for the music concert on 18 and 19 April. 2. How many shows are there? There are 6 shows. 3. How much will your mother pay for the concert? My mother will pay rupees 2500 for the concert. 4. How much will a class and student pay for the concert? A class and student will pay rupees 120 for the concert. 5. How many singers are there? There are 2 singers. Who are the singers? Aditya Nick, Anjana Yagnik are the singers. 7. Which instrument do the artist use? The artist use guitar, drum and flute. 6. Match the question and answer and write them. 1. Question. Meena come to school today. Hurst do his homework. Jai go from the picnic. You buy that sari. The boys do their homework. Manu eat sweets. Mr. Joshi call you because answer. Playing very costly. Not have my number. Sick. Lost his notebook. His mother was ill. Tooth edge. Example. Why didn't Meena come to school today? Because she was sick. 1. Why didn't Hurst do his homework? Because he lost his notebook. 2. Why didn't Jai go for the picnic? Because his mother was ill. 3. Why didn't you buy that sari? Because it was very costly. 4. Why didn't the boys do their homework? Because they were playing. 5. Why didn't Manu eat sweets? Because he had a tooth edge. 6. Why didn't Mr. Joshi call you? Because she did not. 2. Question. Why did Hamid lose the race? Is Mohit happy? Were the children shooting? Was Nitin in hurry? Has the teacher punished Abhay? Can't you drive a car? Because answer. He won a gold medal. He was late from the exam. But a boy in the class ran very slowly. Not 18 years old. Teacher was not in class. 1. Why did Hamid lose the race? Because he ran very slowly. 2. Why did Mohit happy? Because he won a gold medal. 3. Why were the children shooting? Because teacher was not in class. 4. Why was Nitin in hurry? Because he was late for the exam. 5. Why has the teacher punished Abhay? Because he beat a boy in the class. 6. Why can't you drive a car? Because you are not 18 years old. 7. Read the pages and answer the question. The capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar. The city of the sun, it lies between the hill of Hari Parbat and the rock of Takht-e-Suleiman near Srinagar is the famous Dal Lake, one of the most beautiful lakes of the world. On the Dal Lake are the floating gardens. There are many of these floating gardens and they can be moved from one part of the lake to another. Tomatoes, melons and vegetables grows on these floating gardens. There are many houseboats on the Dal Lake. One, which lake is near Srinagar? Dal Lake. 2. What is Dal Lake famous for? The Dal Lake is famous for the floating gardens. 3. What grows on the floating garden? Tomato, melons and vegetables grow on the floating. 4. Srinagar means the city of the sun. 5. There are many houseboats on the Dal Lake. Thank you.